Whose tete is that?
Mrs. Tete. Let's really go.
Whoa! That's scary. Oh no! Ayla, how was your day today? Did you have a good day? What did you do at school? Hey, this is not. What are you doing here? This is not a chair. Hey, are you ready for Christmas? Are you ready for Christmas? That's my tete. Oh no! Where'd it go? That's my tete. You better give me that tete. Oh, you're scaring me away. Are you a monster or a lion?
It's a lion.
There's a lion? Let me hear your best lion growl. Ooh, that was good. Rawr. Your turn. What are you doing here? This is a shopping cart. This is not a baby carriage. I'll push you. Ready? Sit down. Oh. It's Mommy's fault. Mommy was pushing you in this.
She looks so cute in it. I only did it one time.
Wow. Apparently that's all it takes, Mommy. Ayla, I'm gonna get that tete. I'm gonna get it. Ah, I got it! You want me to push you? What you doing? Can you blow me a kiss? Blow me. That's mine! Alright, you ready to go eat dinner?
Yeah.
Alright, bye.